Hello dear students, welcome to IMS Academy. I am Ankur Sharma and in this session we are going to discuss about post-gate guidance. My dear student, as I already announced that IMS Academy going to start a YouTube series on post-gate guidance where our expert mentors covers the specialization, cutoff and placement for MTech and MS program offered by IITs, IIScs and NITs. My dear student, these videos will be very much helpful for you to decide on which IIT, NIT you need to apply for the MTech MS program according to your GATE score. As you all know, in the mid of March, you will get the GATE result, and after that, many students are searching for the cutoff as well as the IIT, NITs to apply for the MTech and MS program. So in this particular session, we will dedicatedly discuss about IIT Bombay as well as IISc Bangalore. So we will have a small comparison also in terms of specialization, cutoff and placement. So I would like to invite here Mr. Vipin as well as Mr. Nikhil. So both are here and we will have a discussion on the complete comparatively discussion on the cutoff part as well as the specialization and the placements. Generally what I have seen, the students are very much worried about the sir, which specialization I need to apply for the MTech MS program. Like sir, if I am from EC, should I go for VLSI or the other branch? So in this session, we will try to cover the complete information. So just watch the video till the last, all the questions will be resolved. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box also. We'll definitely reply. Thank you guys.
Having said by sir, so Nikhil sir, this is the time where students are really wondering which IIT or NIT will be better for them, what specialization they should look for, and what will be the safe score that they should get. Isn't it?
Yes, sir. So, my dear student, definitely in this video, you will going to have a crystal clear idea about the IIT Bombay and IISc Bangalore. So, let's get started with the very first interview, that is IISc Bangalore.
So, if we talk about IISc Bangalore, it is having international ranking of 155 and it has a national ranking of 2. And it is also the fastest growing South Asian university. So if you are there, you are at the right place. Now, if we talk about the specialization that you are going to get at IISc Bangalore, so you can see you can get electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electronic system engineering, microelectronics and VLSI design, a very popular specialization, signal processing, artificial intelligence, data science, these are very popular nowadays, nanoscience and engineering. So these are the specialization that IISc Bangalore is offering to EE, EC and IN students.
Yes, sir. But I have one doubt. Which specialization should a student go for?
That completely depends upon interest of a particular student. Let us suppose if you have interested in signal and system, then you should definitely go for signal processing. If suppose electronics is your background and you are more interested in electronics, ICs and op-amp, then you should definitely go for microelectronics and VLSI design. And let us suppose you have interest in power system or power electronics, then you should go for electrical engineering specialization. So how you are going to choose a particular specialization in a particular IIT, that completely depends upon your area of interest where you would like to research more in MTech.
Sir, again, if suppose I am a student being an electrical engineer, or from if I have given the GATE exam from EE stream, so can I able to choose this specialization, let us say microelectronic and VLSI design? So can the EC or EE or IN student can give can opt for this specialization?
Yes, when it comes to IISc Bangalore, you definitely can. Let me show you the cutoff list. So this is the cutoff for year 2022, where you can see EE, EC, IN students are equally applicable for all the specialization. So Nikhil sir, if you show what is the safe cutoff score that the students should get in order to get admitted into any of these specialization, I think students are really waiting for that.
Yes, sir. So if you see here, student, irrespective of your stream, you are equally applicable for all the specialization. But you should have a safe score to get a specialization of your interest. If you look at here, the microelectronic and VLSI design will have a cutoff of 950, 750 and 950. So the demanding of this specialization is more. Now if you look at here, for the electrical engineering, the safe score would be 550, 600 and 600. So it depends upon your safe score and the area of interest. So am I correct, sir?
That means, sir, if a student has more than 600 of GATE score, that means he has a better chance to be there at IISc Bangalore.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Another important parameter that most of the students are looking for is what about the placement of IISc Bangalore. So if we talk about the placements of IISc Bangalore, you can see the highest package that students have cracked here is around 85 lakh per annum, and the average package that students have got is around 28 lakh per annum. And not only about the placement, even students are getting good internship offer here as well.
Yes, sir.
So highest stipend offered to them during the internship is around 1.1 lakh per month, and the average stipend offer that students have cracked is around 72k per month. So isn't it very exciting, Nikhil sir?
Yes, sir. So see here, student, you are not only getting the higher packages, you are also getting the a chance to work with a reputed company like a Microsoft, Amazon, and so on and so forth. So here you will get a list of the companies that you are going to choose when you're going to enter into the IISc Bangalore. So my dear student, this is all about the placement. Now let us look when the process will going to be begin.
So generally the beginning of online application process will start from the first week of February, and last date for applying will be last week of March, and you can expect the written test or interview schedule will be coming on the second last week of April, and date of reporting in IISc will be second week of July. So this is the duration where you can expect your MTech is going to start.
So my dear student, these all are the tentative days. So you please visit the IISc Bangalore for the latest update.
So student, this is all about IISc Bangalore. Now let us talk about IIT Bombay. So IIT Bombay is also one of the finest institute not only in India, across the world. It has international ranking of 172 and it has a national ranking of 3. So this is one of the finest institute not only in India, across the world. And for EC Electrical IN student, this is a place where you should definitely go for. Isn't it, Nikhil sir?
Yes, sir. So my dear student, now let us discuss about the specialization that we are going to have in the IIT Bombay. So sir, can you please give the overview regarding the specialization?
So if we talk about IIT Bombay is offering communication engineering, control and computing, power electronics and power system, electronic system, integrated circuit and system, solid state device, and how to choose this specialization that we have already talked about. So these are the specialization, top specialization that you are going to get at IIT Bombay. Now what shall be the safe score in order to get admitted into IIT Bombay?
Yes, sir. So see here, students. Now if you talk about the safe score, now look at here, my dear student, irrespective of the first specialization which is not applicable for the IN, all the other specialization are equally applicable for EE, EC and IN. Now if you talk about the safe score, sir, student, 510 will be the safe score for getting any of the specialization, isn't it, sir?
Yes, sir. So it means that a student have to score at least more than 500 and you have a great chance to be there at IIT Bombay in any of these specialization of your choice.
Now this is all about the cutoff. Now let us see the placement in IIT Bombay.
So if we talk about the placements of IIT Bombay, then you can see the highest package that students have cracked at IIT Bombay is around 2.1 crore per annum.
So really, sir, this is very a huge amount.
Yes.
I think in the IISc Bangalore we have seen like 85 lakh per annum they are getting, but in the Bombay we are seeing 2.1 crore, which is very, very high.
And not only the highest package, even the median package is around 23 lakh per annum. And surprisingly, this data that we have, that MTech placement is around 96%. So student, can you imagine, MTech placement is around 96%.
Really, sir, this is a very magic figure, because you cannot expect a high amount of percentage in the MTech.
And this year, IIT Bombay has produced the highest number of placements across the years, okay? And total number of companies that have visited IIT Bombay is around 332. So this seems to be very surprising, isn't it, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not only with the highest package, you would also going to have a chance to work with Google, Microsoft, ISRO, one of the prestigious company of India. So, my dear student, this is all about the placement. Now, let us see when the application form will going to be begin. Sir, over to you.
So, you can expect the beginning of online process will start from first week of February. Last date for applying will be last week of March. Written test or interview schedule will normally be held on last week of April, and date of reporting at IIT Bombay will be normally second week of July. So this is a date where you can expect your MTech at IIT Bombay is going to start.
Now this is all about the important dates. Now let us look at the admission process in the IIT and IISc. So the step 1 that you will going to follow is to apply separately for the individual IITs for getting admission in the MTech.
So guys, you have to apply individually across each and every IIT, and then you have to participate in a common counseling, that is COAP, Common Offer Acceptance Portal. So you will be allocated to the particular IIT of your choice through this common counseling of COAP. The dates will be notified to you, so you have to register into COAP, and then you will get the IITs of your choice by participating in this common counseling. So this is all about IISc Bangalore and IIT Bombay. We hope that you have got all the relevant information that you are really looking for. Stay tuned to our channel, and we will be discussing about other IITs and NITs in future.